Okay, so this is how you upload your thingies in here. Um, okay, so in this email, you have the link to get here, like to the SharePoint. So you're going to click that, and then this is going to pop up. You're going to come over here to upload, and you're going to do files, and you're going to go to that cool little file that cool little folder that you made. And I got to go find the one that I did. See, they're all going to say signed. Okay, so you're going to double click on that. Wait a second. And there it is. And then it's uploaded. And honestly, I can't remember if you can upload that whole folder. I kind of feel like you cannot, because I think I tried that one time and it's not that it wouldn't work, but they want them individually. You might double check on that, but basically you're going to have to upload all of your little thingies. Okay?